I feel like I was just here yesterday. I was. What is that, 3 days in a row? Look, a ton of you have been asking me to review the SteelSeries Arctis 5 gaming headset to see if it's worth its price tag in 2020. Obviously, this headset came out over 2 years ago, so you guys wanted me to stack it up against the Razer BlackShark and a ton of other headsets that are currently out in the market right now to see if you guys should go ahead and still pick up the SteelSeries Arctis 5. Now, I don't know what's going on with this headset. I felt like Arnold Schwarzenegger in the movie Jingle All the Way, when he's trying to find a Turbo Man for his son. I couldn't find this headset anywhere. The only thing that was different is, instead of Sinbad, I had to fight a heckler at Best Buy, and I went 3 rounds with him just to get this headset. I'm pretty sure he didn't even know what model this headset was. Regardless, this is what we're gonna go over in today's video. Now, the Arctis 5 has a simple, modern look for design that's similar across the whole lineup of SteelSeries headsets. By default, you get a 10-second color transition with the lighting on the ear cup that you can fully customize in the Engine 3 software. It stays lit as long as the headset's plugged in, and it's something I absolutely love on this headset. Like the Arctis 7 wireless gaming headset, I didn't have any issues wearing this headset for hours on end. The ear cups swivel 90 degrees for added convenience, and to go with its super comfortable fit, it has a weight of just under 10 ounces. Like the SteelSeries Arctis 7 gaming headset, you get a retractable microphone from the base of the left ear cup, which turns to both sides if you plan on wearing this headset backwards. On the left ear cup, you'll find all of the controls for this headset. You get a volume wheel, a mute button for the microphone, along with the main cable for the chat mix dial that plugs into pretty much any gaming console, PC, or Mac. You also get a 3.5mm jack that lets you connect to controllers, tablets, and smartphones. The cord is rather long, however you get good enough distance between the chat mix cable and the headset to be able to reach it without any issues whatsoever. If you get rid of the chat mix dial, it makes it a much shorter cord that lets you connect to the headset using the 3.5mm cable. Getting into gaming performance, this headset sounded really good for this price range. I could pinpoint enemies and hear where the gunfights were going down, however it wasn't the most accurate at times and the surround sound wasn't the best. I guess you get what you pay for. Now, when this headset came out a few years ago, it was probably one of the best, if not the best headsets in its price range. There's no doubt about it. However, getting into today's market with all the newer advances in technology, I feel like it is going to be a little bit harder for this headset to stand out, so we're going to see how it stacks up against the competition. Now, you do get 2 audio profiles when you connect this headset to your PC, similar to the Astro A50 Gen 4s, both a chat and game audio, which in my opinion had very little difference with sound quality when it came to these profiles. When listening to music and watching movies, this headset actually felt much better suited in those situations. You do get a nice decent bass with crisp clear highs, mids, and lows. The microphone, like I mentioned before, is bidirectional, and it's also Discord certified, which did a great job of eliminating background noise when I was talking to my friends through Discord and when I was recording Call of Duty Warzone footage and talking through party chat. Now, I didn't mess with the chat mix dial too often. I kind of just set it to the loudest setting, and it worked great for no matter what I was doing, whether I was gaming, listening to music, or watching movies. Getting into features, the SteelSeries Engine 3 software was easy to use and works with a ton of other SteelSeries products. Setting it up for the first time was super simple, and it made it easy to select the headset under the gear section. When you select the headset, it takes you to the configuration page where you get a ton of customization options, from messing with the RGB color, to playing with the equalizer, choosing the surround sound, and messing with the dynamic range compression. Alright guys, now we're up here in the game room, obviously soundproof room as you guys already know. We're going to go ahead and compare the microphone quality on the SteelSeries Arctis 5 gaming headset. Currently, as always, I'm talking to you guys on the Rode NT1 studio microphone, and we're going to use this microphone as sort of a benchmark, along with 2 other gaming headsets, to see how the microphone quality stacks up on this headset over 2 years later at this $100 price range. So I'm talking to you guys on the Rode NT1. Let's go ahead and switch over to the SteelSeries Arctis 5. This is what the microphone quality sounds like on the SteelSeries Arctis 5 gaming headset. If you guys are new to the channel, please make sure you guys subscribe, and only if you guys end up liking this video, please make sure you guys go ahead and destroy that like button for me. Now let's go ahead and give it the keyboard click test. Let's see how much keyboard clicking the microphone on this headset actually picks up when the keyboard is a foot away from the headset. Alright, it's definitely picking up the keyboard clicks. Oof, even more when the noise gate opens up because I start talking. Now, it's not as quiet when it comes to keyboard clicks as the Razer BlackShark models or the Logitech G Pro X wireless gaming headset that we reviewed here on the channel 2 weeks ago. Now, I can't begin to tell you how much I really hate wired everything. I hate wired controllers, I hate wired headsets, but this headset, it's alright. I mean, obviously the cable is much longer, and you could definitely tangle yourself with it with the ease. So if you guys hate long cables, this one's really long. Next up, let's go ahead and compare this microphone on the SteelSeries Arctis 5 to the Razer BlackShark and the Corsair Virtuoso. This is what the microphone quality sounds like on the SteelSeries Arctis 5. This is what the microphone quality sounds like on the Corsair Virtuoso gaming headset. This is what the microphone quality sounds like on the Razer BlackShark V2 gaming headset. Once again, this is what the microphone quality sounds like on the SteelSeries Arctis 5. Once again, this is what the microphone quality sounds like on the Corsair Virtuoso gaming headset. Once again, this is what the microphone quality sounds like with the Razer BlackShark V2 gaming headset. I love the LED rings around the ear cups. Like I've always liked that. It's so dope. Even here we are, what, 3 years later, they're still fantastic. They're super light. They feel great on my head. I mean, the surround sound could definitely be better. I'm really not impressed with the surround sound, but here we are 3 years later. If it really bothers you guys, there's plenty of other headsets to go ahead and pick out. We've reviewed pretty much every one of them on the channel, so there's no excuse for you guys not to find the right headset. So if you guys are planning on buying this headset here in 2020, that's how much keyboard clicking it's picking up. That's what the microphone quality sounds like in comparison to those headsets. Honestly, I feel like it still holds its own against those headsets even over 2 years later. I'm actually really surprised. I never tested this model out. I tested out the SteelSeries Arctis 7, and then I also tested out the SteelSeries Pro wireless gaming headset, which those obviously cost $300. And the reason I didn't pick that headset over the Astro A50 Gen 4s was for the simple fact that you can only use one source at a time with that headset, which really bothered me. So you couldn't play on PC and console at the same time, or stream, say, on PS4 and then listen to your PC. That was one of the real major drawbacks of that headset for me, and that's why I still till this day use the Astro A50 Gen 4s. This headset is almost impossible to find anywhere. I don't know what's going on. If you guys went on a shopping spree for these, they're almost impossible to find. So if you guys are looking for one, good luck. Honestly, I feel like this is still the perfect choice for you gamers out there looking for that non-competitive gaming headset that's great for music and watching movies. Yes, it doesn't have the best surround sound. However, it's perfect for traveling, and in my opinion, is much more comfortable than the Razer BlackShark V2 gaming headset. Now, yes, the Razer BlackShark V2 gaming headset has much better surround sound, but I really can't see myself traveling and listening to music or just taking the Razer BlackShark V2 anywhere in general without looking awkward when wearing it. It's really not a headset you can wear out in public, whereas the SteelSeries Arctis 5 looks like a much more universal headset, has that much nicer, sleek, modern design, and I feel like you can pretty much take it anywhere with you. And in my opinion, I would definitely pick this headset over the Razer BlackShark V2 gaming headset. Now, if you guys would like to go ahead and purchase any one of these headsets and support the channel at the same time with no extra cost to you guys, I will leave those Amazon affiliate links linked down below in the description for you guys. As always, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, whatever it is, make sure you guys go ahead and drop them down below in the comments section for me. If you guys did end up liking this video, please make sure you guys go ahead and destroy that like button for me. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.